يوصيكم الله في أولادكم للذكر مثل حظ الأنثيين.
Assalaamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, we will work through the example in exercise 7.1. This is within the Takhaaruj chapter and can be found on page 41 in the Islamic inheritance book. In this example, the deceased has left behind a wife, a daughter, a granddaughter, and a sister, and the wife decides to withdraw fully from her shares in lieu or in exchange of a house owned by the deceased. Okay. In other words, the wife says that she doesn't want any shares from the inheritance, but she'd just like to keep the house from the deceased. In other words, her husband's house. Now, this will only work if all the heirs involved, all four of them, agree. If they all agree, then this is okay. How would they work in terms of the inheritance? Well, we will give out the shares first normally. Well, the wife, because there's a daughter, will get thumun. The daughter, since there's only one, will get nisf. The granddaughter, since there is one daughter, will get sudus. And the sister here will become asaba ma'al ghayr. So she will become asaba. Next, we choose a base number. Well, the denominators we have are 8, 2, and 6. The LCM of that is 24. The base number will be 24. The wife will get an eighth of 24, which is 3. The daughter will get a half of 24, which is 12. And the granddaughter will get a sixth of 24, which is 4. There will be 5 shares remaining, and the sister will get them 5 shares. Now, we need to apply what the wife wants. So, all we have to do is pretty simple. We just take away the wife's share. So, we cross off the wife's share, the 3. We write a sword there just to show that this has happened. And we subtract her shares from the base number. So, the base number was 24. We subtract the 3, and the base number becomes 21, and nothing else changes. So, in summary, the base number will be 21. The wife will not get anything from the inheritance. The daughter will get 12 out of 21. The granddaughter will get 4, and the sister will get 5. And very important, the wife will not receive any shares from the estate, and the house that she traded it for is no longer included as part of the estate. So the house is not part of the inheritance, and the wife is not part of the inheritance. So them two things are excluded, the wife and the house, and therefore everything else will be out of the base number 21 and divided between the daughter, the granddaughter, and the sister. Jazakallah.
ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.